I work for Nelson Bumgardner PC. It's a litigation boutique in Fort Worth, Texas, primarily focused on patent litigation. I'm an attorney there, and my own practice focuses on the intersection of patent law with administrative law and antitrust law. In addition, my particular expertise is in patent damages. It's why I went into private practice in the first place, and one of the areas I still find most rewarding. Say the first thing that it takes to succeed is a dedication to doing the work right. A sort of scholarly approach that finds the correct answer first and then advocates for what one wishes to be the correct answer, knowing what the truth is. It's important to keep a very strategic perspective when engaging in litigation. It's also important to be open to an interdisciplinary approach to the law. It's important to take everything that one learned not only in one's patent law classes, but also in other areas of law. And I'd say more importantly, to also keep focused on business considerations and to make sure one keeps one's client's objectives in mind. The thing I enjoy most about my job is the intellectual challenge that it presents every day. The great thing about litigation is there's an opposing side, someone who's always trying to advocate for the opposite position, and it's not enough to be good, you have to be better than one's opponent, and usually helps to be right. One of the things that I think is most important for keeping me on my toes, for making sure that I remain dedicated to being the best I can be, is knowing that there's always someone else out there who is. And so it inspires me to do a better job than I otherwise would, to know that I'm always going to have to remain at the cutting edge so I don't get superseded by someone else who is. The advice that I would offer to students that are interested in my field is first to study a lot. Study everything that you possibly can. Pay as much attention to your professors and do as well in your courses as you can. The second thing I would say is to write as much as possible. The way to be a good litigator in any field is to be a good writer, first and foremost. And in patent law, I think that's even more important because of the highly technical issues involved in the lay judges and juries that one is communicating to. So the thing I would say that students should do is make sure that they know what they are talking about and make sure that they can communicate what they're talking about to a lay audience, someone who doesn't know as much about the subject matter as they do.